Union Minister of State for External Affairs R.K. Ranjan asserted that artificial intelligence (AI) will help in shaping democracy for future generations. The Union Minister made this statement on the first day of the third Summit for Democracy at Seoul in Republic of Korea. Giving his speech on AI, digital technology and inclusive society, he added that artificial intelligence has advanced in every field with the introduction of new digital technologies. This widespread digitalization of human activity has generated the truly massive data necessary for artificial intelligence, AI applications and solutions. It has enabled people to work from home and relieve organizations to better target emergency response and governments to allocate resources where it is needed the most. As global population is getting interconnected, all benefits can be accessed. However, there are major side effects and threats to democracies. The Union Minister continued that with the introduction of AI administration, bureaucracy has been reduced, adding that the citizens are able to get information of government activities. Moreover, natural language process (NLP) has enabled to not only understand the user's request but also to respond in natural language. In the last 10 years, India has witnessed huge change in digital world after Digital India was introduced in 2015. Union Minister of State for External Affairs R.K. Ranjan stated that artificial intelligence helps us make better sense of digital work, and the government has better connection with people and the global socio-economic system as well, he added.